Welcome to Data Engineering with Subhadip. Today we are going to architect and build a complete end-to-end real-time analytics system on Google Cloud Platform. Let us look at the architecture. We will use PubSub for ingesting real-time streaming data, Dataflow for data transformation, BigQuery for scalable storage, and Looker Studio for creating interactive dashboards. Step 1 is ingestion using PubSub. PubSub is a fully managed real-time messaging service that decouples data producers from consumers. Here is a Python snippet showing how to publish JSON messages to a PubSub topic. Step 2 is processing with Dataflow using Apache Beam. Dataflow handles auto-scaling and streaming data gracefully. This Python code reads from our PubSub topic, applies a parsing transformation, adds a timestamp, and writes the output directly to BigQuery. In any streaming system, failures happen. We must implement retry patterns and a dead letter queue, or DLQ. If a message fails parsing, it gets routed to a separate PubSub topic instead of crashing the entire pipeline. This ensures high availability. Step 3 is storage. BigQuery is our enterprise data warehouse. For real-time analytics, we highly recommend using the StorageWrite API to stream data. Remember to partition and cluster your tables to keep your querying costs low and dashboard performance high. Step 4 is visualization. Looker Studio connects natively to BigQuery. You can build dynamic reports to monitor your key performance indicators in real time without moving the data. Just adjust the data freshness settings to keep your charts live. Finally, monitoring and alerting. Using cloud monitoring, we track Dataflow system latency and PubSub unacknowledged messages. We can set up alerts to notify our team via email or Slack if thresholds are breached, keeping our pipeline reliable. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Data Engineering with Subhadip for more cloud and data engineering content.